Hey guys, it's been 2 weeks just about since I got my Vans UltraRange Exo shoes. I've been wearing them constantly for the past 2 weeks at work, for exercise, to climb trees. I've got photo proof of that. Went to the Walk for Life with that. So I've been testing them like crazy. They are a bit dirty, I will warn you, so don't be too excited about that. But so far they seem to be holding up, and they actually worked really well for trees, which I was kind of surprised about. So I have not washed these yet, so I just kind of wanted to see how they do without being washed at all. And so they're a little dirty, but I had some questions that were asked in the comments, so I'm going to answer some of those. And also we are going to do a lace up tutorial video for like the second half of this, so I will put the time here for when that is. Let's get to the questions. All right, so you are, I don't know if I'm saying that right, asked why, said, I wonder why they are more expensive than the Rapid Weld, meaning the Rapid Weld version of the Vans shoe, which I will get here. I don't know. I went on and like looked at them. I'm guessing it's construction and the materials that they used, because the Rapid Welds appear to be a bit more just mesh material, whereas the UltraRange has like all of this like front bit here, and like it's just kind of constructed a little bit more like stronger, in my opinion. I could be wrong. Also the grip was a little bit different. Don't really know if that makes a difference because I haven't tried them, but so far the grip's been working for me. Put this back on. I will say the first couple days was a little weird because like when they packaged the shoe, one of my shoes was like in a little bit on the heel, so it was a little uncomfortable, so I had to wear like a really thick sock for like about 3 or 4 days, but it did fix and it's fine now, so it's really comfy. But other than that, I don't really have any problems. All right. Sunkip asked if I've had a labral repair surgery on my shoulder. My scar right here, it was in the last video, this one. Answer is no. I had a motorcycle accident and got some road rash. It's still healing. Matt Smith said, great video and thanks for the review. You're welcome, thank you. And asked if I think they would make good gym shoes. I've been using them for like everything since I got them, like literally just worn them since I did the review video. So, well, not like sleeping, but you know what I mean, like to every activity I do. So personally for me, they work really well. They actually are more cushioned than I expected them to be, them being Vans. So that's pretty cool because I was kind of concerned about that. And the grip actually works really well for my tree climbing, because like I usually just prefer to climb barefoot because the shoes are either too bulky and get in the way, or like if you just wear a regular Vans shoe, they can be a little slippery and they don't quite grip the tree bark properly for oak trees. So I used them today and they actually worked really well. Juan Medina asks if I could show a clear video on how to lace them, or link a video if there is one out there. So second half of this video, again, at this time, and it will be there. Jay says he got a pair today and he loves them, and that was yesterday. So awesome, Jay, glad you like them. And those are all the questions for now. Let's get into the lace video. Okay, so first off, I unlaced my shoes just to get it ready for the video. So I'm taking the lace from the inside of the shoe and I'm taking it out first. You can actually do this the other way as well, and it's a little bit easier. Now, I will mention, like, when I put the lace through the actual hole, I go from the outside of, like, the top side of the shoe in towards, like, the tongue of the shoe. I just like that look better. Okay, so like I was saying earlier, you can take the lace from the outside of the shoe and go in. That's the way that I find easiest, just because the right lace ends up on top. Okay, now this spot's a little bit tricky. We have to put the laces through the tongue. I actually kind of struggled with this when I first did it. What I did end up doing was, like, after I put the first lace through, I put, like, the bottom lace through first, and then I took the lace that would be going on top, like the rest of the laces, and I had to kind of, like, fold the tongue in a little bit. It made it kind of, like, loop up, so it was easier to get the lace through. And then just kind of repeat from there. Okay, again, like I said, you take the lace from the outside, go in, and put the lace in from the top of the shoe down in towards the tongue. Now, I did kind of point out, and I will mention, I do not lace my shoes all the way up to, like, the top 2 notches. I kind of do it up to, like, the 3rd from the top. The top 2 would just be a little bit tight for what I use them for, so it just doesn't really fit my preferences, but you can use them if you like. Okay, now this is how I actually like tie my shoes. I'm sure everyone knows how to do this, but just in case maybe you have a different way of doing it, this is how I was taught, and just kind of how I've been doing it for the past few years. Well, quite a few years. I always double knot mine as well, because mine just kind of come loose, and it's kind of like a fight to, like, not have them come loose like that, so I just double knot them. That's about it. So if you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up. Let me know in the comments if you have any more questions or what you think. Again, this video is not sponsored. I just did this because I needed new shoes, and this was the pair that I decided on. So far I like them. So hopefully if you purchase them, you like them as much as I do. If you'd like to see more videos like this, please let me know in the comments. And if you would like to see more videos from me, please subscribe and hit the bell if you want to be notified every time I upload a video. Check me out on Instagram. My Instagram is @SphereMcKelvin. Thanks for watching.